the dwarf.
What happened to the father and the dog?
And the dwarf.
The crazy 4-year-old took crazy pills.
The dog took the cat. The dog took the cat. I over there. The dog took the cat.
The cat took the rat. Mouse.
The cat took the mouse. I over there. The cat took the mouse. And the mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. I over there. And the mouse takes the cake.
And what does the cheese do?
And the cheese can blow. And the cheese can blow. I over there. And the cheese can blow.
Wake everybody up. Should we say anything to prove we're normal?
We are not normal.
There's nothing normal about it. Stop covering my mouth. I'm going to bite your hair.
Okay, Mom. Okay, Mommy, let's see the movie.
That's it?
Yeah.
Nothing else?
No.
No jokes?
Nope.
No riddles? Math problems? You want to spell something?
No.
Should we show me eating your hand on the video?
Yeah.
You want to eat? Chocolate.
Look, Mommy, let's see the video.
All right.